Hello everyone, I'm Kevin Peter, your tutor, and on today's video tutorial we are going to learn on how we can create the contours on any map that you'll be working on. Recently I've been getting a series of requests asking on how to create the contours, so I assure you by the end of this video you're going to learn on how we can create them. Basically we are going to use the raster data from the USGS Earth Explorer, where we feed that data into the Qgis software, but also you can use the other GIS software such as ArcMap and SagaGIS. Yeah, so let's get it started. The first step, we have to open but before that you have to make sure that your data, you have already prepared your working environment. You know where are your boundaries. For instance, here is my these are my files for my area of interest. We're supposed to go to the USGS, just right here, USGS. It is this one. Just click on it. Yeah, this is the user interface of the USGS Earth Explorer, and on the previous tutorial we learned on how we are supposed to fill the information here, but also another important thing is that you have to make sure you have a registered account. So I already prepared mine, and it is this one. This will give you access to download the data and have this essential data. You have to click the ready features because this is targeted into the US, but our area is out of the US. Just scroll to your area of interest, or where you think your shapefile will land on. And after clicking the ready features, you have to click on the shapefile or KML upload because our data is on the shapefile format. Select your file. Again, you have to click this zipped folder because this have the AutoCAD DXF format as well as other supporting extensions of the file such as DBF, QMDF. Let's wait. Yes, as you can see here, this is our shapefile has been uploaded successfully. So you have to go to the datasets. On the datasets, because you need the data that will help you to create the elevation and other topographical data, you have to go to the digital elevation and choose this option SRTM. On SRTM you have to click to check this one, SRTM 1 second global. Yes, after you have successfully made that procedure, you have to go to the results. Left this one, additional criteria, go to results. Yeah, you have the results of where probably this raster data can be available for your area. You can click this foot icon to see on which extent it covers your area. You can see that our area is just there, a very small portion of the whole this data. So you have to click this downloading icon here. The download options will come such as bill, 1 second, DTED, but we need to download this G or TIF. You click on download. Since I have it on my computer, I just go here. Also download it, it will come with this name, but you can rename it with the area of your interest so that it can be easy for you to remember. Then let's go direct to the Qgis software. Let's add that downloaded data. Since it is the raster, you have to click on the raster and choose that data. It is the Marlboro DEM. This one, yes. Open it and add it. Close. It is very large and we can't even see our area of interest. it is there, very small, so you have to clip this data. And how to clip this wood, you have to go, since it's the raster data, you have to go at the top toolbar and choose the raster. You have to go to extraction. On the extraction, you have to choose the clip by extent option. Input layer at the MongoDB, it is already being filled there. You have to clipping extent is where our shapefile, our boundary is supposed to be. We drag and drop it there, then run. You have to close again. Let's turn off this MongoDB the wool data, so that we can see if it has been clipped successful. Yes, it is this one. It has been clipped successful, and this is the clipped extent. So we have to go again, since we have to generate the contours from this raster data. We have to go to the raster again, extraction, and choose contour option. Input layer, you have to choose. You can remove also this one. On the input layer, you can drag and drop this one, clip the extent, but there are other informations that you can fill in here, but the very important one is this interval between contour lines. So let's set it to be 2 meter. Yes, just enter and run. Close this again. You see here that the contours have been successfully generated even when we turn off this clip extent. So here are our contours as they can be seen here, but they are so edged. They're so edged, I can say. They are very angled, and we have to smooth these contours. So you have to go to the processing toolbox. Yep. Search here, smooth. Choose vector geometry and smooth, because the contours are actually the vector data. So input layer are these contours. Iterations, just leave it to be 1, and you have to run. This because it has been successfully smoothed. So even when I zoom in, you'll see here that the red contours were the former contours, and they are so edged compared to these ones with pinkish color. So you have to remove all these. You can remove this one. Let's just stay with the clip the extent, but also you can remove this one, or you can turn off this one. So this is the smooth contours, but it is just act as a temporary layer on our work. So I have to export it as a ASRI shapefile format, so it will stay permanently on our computer, and you can use it for future works. So let's export it. Save features as ESRI shapefile file name, and we're supposed to just write it here. Let's name it as contours tutorial. Yeah. Save it. Do not forget to edit this coordinate reference system. My area is on the arc 1960 Utem zone 37 south, so I choose this one and I click OK and OK again. You see here that my layer has been exported successfully. Yep. So we can now remove this one again, because it was just a temporary layer, and remain with that one which is on our computer. Yes, this is how we can create the contours on the maps. Yeah. So this is how they look like. But you have to label these contours also. You have to label these contours. So let's click on this layer and go to properties. On the properties, you choose labels. On the labels, here you need to choose single label and value. Here it is very important to change this and choose elevation. It is the elevation data. You can also edit here the font size as well as colors. So let's try this. The font to be Times New Roman. Choose it to be 12, but also the color. I don't like hard colors, so I use its opacity. I choose less opacity color. I think this one looks cool, and I choose okay. Let me apply them. You see yes, they have been labeled, and the interval between these contours is 2. For instance, here is 474 up to 476. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you'll be able to create the contours on the maps. Thanks.